Traders, it's that time of the week for all of you swingers out there. So hold on to your hats, probably actually hold on to your partners, and we are going to look at the weekly forecast, guys, right? So stay tuned, and I'm going to give you all of my swing trade ideas for this week, right? Even if you're not a swing trader, guys, right, you can use the swing trade idea to coincide with lower time frame entries, right? So yeah, it can help you no matter what kind of trader you are. So let's get straight into it, guys, right? The first swing trade I'm looking at, and the first US dollar pair I'm looking at, because we saw some US dollar weakness last week, and we're looking at New Zealand US dollar, right? So we're going to look at the weekly charts, guys, because these are swing trades. We might even take a look at the monthly chart on some of them. But if we just follow this weekly chart, you can clearly see we're in an uptrend, right? Because we've just broken this key resistance level with this bullish candle. Okay, and once we break a resistance level, you know, there's a strong possibility that, well, there's a strong probability that price will come up to the next piece of resistance, and that is here, right? So yeah, New Zealand US dollar buys up to this 6,300 level here, guys. All right, you know, we can expect a bit of a retrace, and then we come up. So that's the first US dollar pair. The next US dollar pair is US dollar Canadian dollar, right? And this is, you know, inversely correlated with New Zealand US dollar, right? So weekly chart, we were in an uptrend, and then this US dollar weakness has just come hurtling down, right? Breaking this key support level. Okay, nice big bearish candle, and we've got room to take it down to the next piece of support and this psychological level, this 1.3400. Okay, again, you know, want to see a bit of a retrace, and then we come lower. Okay, guys, so US dollar Canadian dollar sells as well. Excuse me. The next pairs we're looking at is pound strength. And like I say, guys, these are all weekly charts we're looking at. And let's start with pound yen, actually, because this is against trend. And I was looking at a few yen pairs, because lots of yen pairs, we've had this really big bounce off support level, right? But out of all of the yen pairs, I preferred pound yen, because again, we were seeing pound strength last week, right? And it's, you know, come into this week as well. So what I'm looking to do, guys, is this, you know, we were in an uptrend, and we're clearly in a downtrend, but this, just look how bullish it's been, right? Just the reaction we've had at this support level, this 180, right? And we've had this bullish candle. And what I like is the fact that this candle here, last week's candle, used this level through here as support, right, and reacted at that level. Okay, so the idea is just to take price higher and up to this 194 psychological level. And how did I arrive at this level? This is a fib level. So if you go from the top here down to the bottom, right, it's the 0.5 fib level. Okay, so that's the reason that is my target. So pound yen buys is another swing trade idea for this week. Carrying on with this pound strength, we've got pound Aussie dollar. Okay, so again, let's look at the weekly chart, and we were in this downtrend, and then bang, we're in an uptrend, right? And price, you know, this, what was once resistance becomes support, right? And we've had a reaction. I mean, this candle, it's not super bullish, right? But bullish enough. Yeah, you can't help but think this wick that dropped below this low here, you know, has taken a lot of stops out, bit of a liquidity grab, and price has pushed back up. So the idea is to take pound Aussie dollar back up to these last highs here and this psychological level, 9,650. Yeah, my target is always the next support or resistance combined with a psychological level, right? It makes sense, yeah? So yeah, pound Aussie dollar buys, and my next pound strength trade, say that if you can, is euro pound. Now this is the weekly chart, right? Now if you look at the weekly chart, right, we're in an uptrend. So you're probably thinking, Tom, why the hell are you looking for sells? The reason I'm looking for sells is there's a few reasons, right? So this level was important, okay? And this weekly candle has broken that level, okay? It's also come back below the moving average 20, all right? And if you look at the monthly chart, bear in mind these are swing trades, guys, right? You can see this monthly downtrend, and price has literally reacted at the moving average 20 there. Okay, and look at the reaction we've got. It's come storming down. Okay, look at that wick so far. Bear in mind this month hasn't finished yet. We've got one more week next week. But just looking at that reaction and the weekly chart closing below this support level, I think we can come back down to these lows and this 84,000 psychological level. All right, so yeah, there's the pound strength trades, but we got more, guys. There's another 4 trades to look at. Before we look at those, guys, first of all, I would love to hear your comments. So if you've got any comments about any of the trades or perhaps trades that you're looking at this week, then please share them and leave a comment in on the vid, below the vid. Okay. Also, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Smash that notification button and smash the like button. It really helps support the vid, and come join us. Also, guys, if you haven't already, come join our trading community. There are some lovely people in there, right? You can basically have a chit chat with traders, share knowledge, share ideas. So come join our free Discord channel, right? It's free. Just come in and verify yourself. If you want more than that, guys, and you want access to my trade signals, you want access to my tutorials and strategies, and you want direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers right now, deposit funds into your own trading account, right? We will give you free access to the VIP Trading Academy. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. Right, more trades. So we've got a couple of euro weakness trades now. The first one is euro Aussie dollar. Okay. So you can see this level here. This has been my target for a couple of weeks now, right? So this blue line, just looking at these weekly candles. This is again against trend, right? This is in an uptrend, but look at these weekly candles. It's just telling me it has a bit more room to come down to this support level. Okay, so euro Aussie dollar sells, and it's the same with euro New Zealand dollar. Again, these two are highly correlated, guys, right? But you can see we was in this uptrend. Arguably, is that a structure break here? Yeah, potentially, right? On the day chart, it definitely is. Okay. But we've got this very bearish weekly candle. And again, we just got a bit of room back down to the moving average 20 and this piece of support. So again, psychological level 1.7900. Okay, so euro New Zealand sells. There's more. Swiss franc yen. So we looked at pound yen earlier and yen weakness with pound strength, obviously. But I also like this Swiss franc yen for buyers as well, right? Now, this is still in an uptrend for me, right? If we just look at structure, that's the structure. Okay, so we haven't broken these lows. In fact, we've had a very nice bullish reaction. And then last week, again, it rejected this level in here. There are buyers in here. And I think we can take price back up to this level here. So this next piece of potential resistance in here, we take it up to 173. So that's still 300 pips, or 269 to be exact. All right, so Swiss franc yen buys. And then potentially we could be seeing, you know, a head and shoulders there, maybe. Let's see. So Swiss franc yen, and my final trade, we got there, guys. My final trade is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, right? This still has a little bit of room to go into, right? We're in this channel. Yeah, we've been in this channel for weeks. Yeah, price keeps respecting this trend line. And ever since we've bounced off this trend line, just bullish candle. And the idea is just to take price back up to these highs, right? Yeah, and you know, I like the fact that this is bullish as well. It's just bullish, right? Nothing but buyers in control. Take it back up to these highs, right? And that's still a good amount of pips to move into. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my swing trades for this week. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please come subscribe and share and like the vid. Don't forget our trading community, our free Discord channel, and our VIP Trading Academy, which you can get free access to. Check it all out. Have a great trading week, guys, and I'll see you soon.